Hello there.
Hello.
We're back, and today we are prepping some cars for track day. Hopefully soon we're gonna get a video on. So we've got Glanza V and a core type R. Yeah, and track day prep. Pretty sure this is getting discs, and Andy's doing some other stuff, but yeah, you'll see.
You have to edit in a mad riff for this one.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's fine. We'll work on the cars together. I'm the one working on the car. Ask Adam.
We now find the jacking point.
Wait, hang on. Let me...
He's sliding it in.
So far in.
Oh yeah.
Here you
Get it
go.
in
He's
there.
gonna do anything. I don't think it's gonna reach. It doesn't reach.
It's fine. We'll get some blocks. You can drive onto blocks.
Yeah, buddy! He's done it!
Jack is actually trying to figure out how... Oh shit, my time.
Ooh.
It is a... What the fuck? It is a 70.
Damn, that's a go.
Light work. Light work. No,
My dad bought a shitty Ryobi one that just did nothing. It's like, oh.
it's stuck.
Uh-oh. Good girl.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
That's how it's meant to be.
Yeah, that's what's meant to happen. Is we actually get a wheel off. If you want to know why cars in the UK don't last, it's because of this. This is what we have to live with, like, all the time.
That's what we did. We just banged the weld on.
Yeah, easy. We'll bang a weld on it.
Andy's now going to make sure that he doesn't drop the bottle of death and kill all of us. This is nothing jank going on at all today. Totally legitimate. The Toyota coolant, genuine Toyota coolant is fucking us up. Simply roll the bomb out towards the vehicle. Oh buddy.
Okay, I think that's enough.
We are making sure that this is strapped down a bit like Adam. Now we will pick up the mask of glory.
Safety squints.
Shout out Barry Gooch.
Clean. I was like, yeah. Wiped it down, let it evaporate for like a second, and I was like, you know what? I need to dry that a little bit better. Got out the map gas.
Oh.
Fuck your whole thing. The fuel filter neck was like burning the thing off. I was like,
Andy loves fire.
I do.
Like, you really do. Like, he really does love fire.
Arsonist, bro.
If there's a video of Andy burning shit, we'll insert it now. Now we take the ground clamp. Oh, always make sure that when you get an opportunity, scratch up reps. Really get in there. Oh, no! That was pain. That was pain.
Keep going.
About these genuine TEs, bro.
Yeah, only the best wheels here. Like, we don't.
Genuine rotors.
Yeah, genuine rotors, boys.
Do you reckon
Take
it's rusty
notes.
enough to conduct electricity?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Send.
No!
Ooh.
Bang that.
Yeah. So basically, like, if you weld enough, depending on how many welds you do, that's how many pops and bangs you're gonna get on like these cell. Yeah. So it's really good. Leave your battery connected, and then you get a pop and bang map when you weld.
There you have it, people. Andy's top tips.
Yes, sir.
Arm him with his
Hang on.
weapon.
Right, I need
That's opposite
quite a
round.
bit of pen, Harry. Can you bang the fucking setting up?
Yeah. I mean, that's on full pen mode.
You cave divers be like.
Look at him go.
We need to make that move.
Oh, give it a little wobble again. Ooh.
It's fine.
It's all good.
Fine.
Why the fuck is this not?
I think you need a bit more wire.
Yeah.
It sounds like a struggle.
Simply adjust the wire speed.
Good.
Yeah, try that.
Whoa. Just a big ass puddle.
As long as it holds it, it's fine.
Boy did good.
I can turn it.
He's just somehow welded the whole wheel on
Welded the wheel
onto the actual. Wow.
Well, for all you know,
Look at that.
these reps could be made of steel.
Lovely bit of a. You're the overspray there. What? Is this the
Mop.
genuine
This is a genuine Toyota mop.
TRD
So pretty
mop?
much,
You cannot buy these new people.
they're
Like.
really rare.
Damn.
I forgot to pop on it.
Ah,
I was gonna say what
I've ever seen my
yeah,
life.
best
my
best Glanza in the UK. If he can find it.
There we go. Right.
Oh,
Whoa.
so clean.
Okay.
He's got
right,
the single special nut.
Nuts
This
right
is
here.
the best thing about this car.
Yeah. The catch can that does nothing.
So pretty much, that catch can turns the car into a tank engine.
Yeah.
So-
It catches hopes and dreams and then destroys them.
Yeah. Oh damn. One more pump and hold. So like yeah.
Oh my god, it just dropped.
Go again. Go again. Go again. Actually, just pump.
Look at him go, getting the leg day in.
Leg day.
Got to say hinge. Nothing but the best for the Glanza.
He's damn. Damn.
Engine just needs TLC now. I was thinking about taking a SSA. Oh yeah. Tuning was literally loose.
Oh.
So Harry has got valve cover gasket.
Victoria Reigns.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
And that's because, yeah, it's leaking. It's leaking just a bit down
Right,
there.
if it's leaking, it's got oil.
Yeah. I mean, it is rust protection, to be fair.
Welded on. Oh, it's coming.
I've got a better for doing jobs that should not be done by trim.
Ooh.
Don't drop these.
Oh yeah, I've got new ones.
Oh, okay, cool.
They come from me.
I've got the silver VHT.
That does need a bit of engine flush, don't it?
Yeah.
I already put engine flush in it.
Yeah, no, I know. Did you run it through it though?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be fair though, the cam lobes all look pretty good.
Yeah, they're not bad at all.
Drop on the
Like,
No, it did survive. It survived.
Yeah.
It's
Survived
okay.
the drop test.
It's alright.
you got new spark plug seals as well.
Adam has arrived for an oil change on the tag.
And that motherfucker does not fit.
Maybe, we'll see. And we're about to sort out the valve cover gasket for this with lovely new seals because these were like plastic, they were just completely dead. So that's about to go back on. Oh, here we go, yeah.
Rubber? No, plastic.
Just clonk.
Plastic.
Yeah. Little flirtatious.
You know, I will
Gasket done. And I missed
Success.
filming it entirely
Big
because of
success.
other things, but yeah.
Now.
Andy is pro technician and is
I am.
Yeah,
I really literally
Iridium
should be a tech.
NGKs.
actual spark plugs.
Proper spark plugs.
Because what was in this before?
The same ones actually.
We
Same
know.
exact
Oh, okay,
ones.
we
They're,
know.
they're
Swap
a
them over.
tiny bit worn.
Decent.
But like just the tip of the electrode
Just the tip.
in that one, you see that's flat. If you can even
There we go,
focus
yeah.
that close, yeah. So that's flat, and then this
Yeah, we've got a
one
new one.
you have, which you really don't need to
Not
bother
much
like
difference,
replacing them, but like you see the dome on that one. Man doing
We have
stuff.
simultaneous car servicing whilst Harry and Andy sort out the Glanza. My mate Adam has also got his DC5 Type R, which I actually filmed. And he's currently trying to change his oil, which is going about as well as expected.
Why didn't I just bring a fucking oil drip pan? Fucking hell. Can I have the Ugga Dugga, please? I'll round this bolt off, I swear to God.
Mmm.
Oh, 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 oh. Whoa!
Oh, buddy. One thing has led to another, and Andy's gone full track mentalist and deleted his aircon rad, which to be fair, hello there, has seen better days. What do you reckon that weighs, Harry? It's got to be a kilo. Probably not a lot, but
Not a lot.
it's more for the Honda needs all the airflow she can get. So we are now in maximum flow. All you need to know about Andy is just this little sticker right here. But yeah, there you go.
It's facts, I've seen them.
Yeah, it's true. The sticker is
It's
true.
very true. You can see
Oh,
me.
here we go.
Fucking going.
Go on.
Oh, keep
The
going.
climax is coming.
Keep going. I'm nearly there. I'm nearly there. That shit is. Oh, you caught that man. You hooked onto the van.
We've ended up in full Honda dismantling mode. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the track one will be out fairly soon. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one.